Today I will convert a normal low-resolution image into HD quality. First, I have already kept the image open. To enhance it, we will go to File, then select Open As, and choose that image. On the bottom right, the image format is set to Photoshop PSD. We will change that, select Camera Raw, and open it. Upon opening, we will enter the Camera Raw Filter tab. I've zoomed into the image slightly. Now, right-click anywhere. If you look closely, you will see an option called Enhance at the bottom of the panel. Shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D. Another panel will open. I already have Super Resolution turned on. If yours isn't, please turn it on. Keep an eye on the eye area so you can understand how much the image has been enhanced. After clicking Enhance, you will see it loading on the bottom left. Once loading is complete, a new window will be added. Now, increase the sharpening of this image and edit it slightly according to your preference. After adjusting, I will open it. It has opened in a new window. You can see just how much it has been enhanced. To show you the before and after, I will compare this image with the original one so you can understand the difference even better. Let me just align this image with the previous one. If you look closely at the details of the hair, you can really see the difference. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see our content before anyone else.